Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemical Engineering Education. In this video, we will simulate the production of ammonia using hydrogen and nitrogen in an equilibrium reactor using DWSIM. The reaction considered is the ammonia synthesis reaction, nitrogen plus hydrogen forming ammonia, represented as N2 plus 3H2 in equilibrium with 2NH3. The reactor operates at temperature of 100 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 170 bar. The inlet stream enters at 1000 kg per hour at the same temperature and pressure, and it contains 0.25 mole fraction of nitrogen and 75 mole % of hydrogen, which corresponds to the stoichiometric feed composition. The equilibrium constant for the reaction under this condition is given as 1.2 bar squared, and the reactor calculates the equilibrium composition based on this value. Here we have to find out the equilibrium composition of the outlet stream and the amount of ammonia formed under this condition. Okay, let's begin with DWSIM software. So I am clicking DWSIM software. So now here here you can see that DWSIM software window. And here I am clicking that create new. So after click create new, so here you can see that simulation configuration wizard will open. So then I don't have to do anything. Then click next. Here I have to select three component: nitrogen. I'm clicking nitrogen, then hydrogen, then I have to select ammonia, then click next. Here I have to select that Peng Robinson Lee Kessler property package, then add and click next. Here I have to select I'm selecting that custom unit C5. Now here I don't have to do anything, so everything is there. So now I'm clicking next. So next, I don't have to do anything, then finish. Now from here I'm taking the reactor is the equilibrium reactor. Now I'm changing the reactor icon, so it is like that. Okay, now I'm renaming the name is inlet stream. Okay, then enter. Then you can rename that to, that is top product, and here you can rename as a bottom product. And reactor is also you can change the name, equilibrium reactor. Okay, now first equilibrium reactor. Okay, so now first we have to input the inlet stream. Means inlet stream condition we have to input, so that is 100 degrees centigrade, then pressure is 170 bar, then mass flow is 1000 kg per hour, then compound nitrogen is 0.25%, then hydrogen is 0.75, and this is 0. Okay, now you can accept. Okay, now next we have to set up the equation setting. Here we are going to reaction. Now click the equilibrium. Okay, now here that ammonia production, some description, ammonia production. from hydrogen and nitrogen. Okay, then here I have to click include, then I have to stick BC. Okay, here I have to write the coefficient, that hydrogen minus 1, nitrogen minus 1, hydrogen minus 3, and ammonia, that is 2. Now okay, you can check that nitrogen plus 3H2, that will give ammonia. Equilibrium reaction, so that is partial pressure, that is vapor phase, and then units is in bar. Okay, so here temperature approach K, you don't have to do anything, then constant K value, so that is 1.2. then okay, then cross it. Now go to the equilibrium reactor. Now here, from here you have to change default set calculation mode adiabatic to isothermal. So I think simulation has done. We got that result, because everything is turned into blue, means everything has done. Okay, so I got the result. Now here okay, we don't need all this. Okay, so now here first we put that master property table, so the inlet condition. So here I am just taking the inlet condition, inlet condition I am taking, so I have to write everything: temperature, pressure, mass flow. Then I can do here that molar fraction of nitrogen, molar fraction of hydrogen, then molar fraction of ammonia. Okay, then close it. So you can see everything is here. Okay, so mass flow. Okay, so we have to reduce the front. Reduce the front to 5. Okay, so it is here. Okay, now here, now from similarly in the top and bottom. So again insert that master properties table here. So I am clicking that top product, again temperature, pressure, mass flow. Then here I have to select that molar fraction of nitrogen, molar fraction of hydrogen, then molar fraction of ammonia. In okay, so again we have to reduce the font. Maybe I can put as a 3, that will be good. Okay, so here you can see that temperature 100 degree, pressure 170, mass flow is here 373.03 kg per hour, and mole fraction is something 0.10614. Now here again I have to take that property method. So from going to insert properties table here. Okay, so here, so now here again double click. Now bottom product, temperature, pressure, then mass flow. Then again what will be the composition of the nitrogen molar fraction, hydrogen molar fraction, and then ammonia molar fraction. Molar fraction of ammonia. So now again that I have to take as a 2 or maybe 3. Okay, so now you can see. So here mass flow is that is 6 to 6.97. So if you add that to mass flow, so that will be the 100 kg per hour. So that is the simulation, and we got the result. Now here you see, so everything, so that is very clear here. You see here, so everything is given. So in inlet temperature is 100 degree, pressure 170, then mass flow 1000, molar flow 117.436, molar fraction nitrogen 0.25, molar fraction hydrogen 0.75, Then in the outlet in the top, so pressure, temperature, mass flow 373.03, molar flow, molar fraction, then molar fraction of hydrogen, ammonia. So we will see that. So here you can see here molar fraction is 0.7590. Here in the bottom, that ammonia mole fraction is 0.94, means in that bottom ammonia is rich than in the top. So that is the way to do the simulation. Thank you for watching.